Hello everybody. Here I'm going to show you how to add animations on your presentation PowerPoint. First, you're going to need a object or images that you put. So here we're gonna first choose an entrance. So for example, we're gonna choose a bounce. Then in order to add a more animation, because we need some exit, so we're gonna choose the add animation. So here we're gonna click the exit here. So it's going to add it over here, number 2. You can see it to the left side of the box. So we're gonna click wheel. So it's going to exit the object. So let's see the results here. So first it's going to bounce, and then it's going to exit. So that's the simple way to add animation in your presentation. Hope you like it. Thank you.